Did you do it?
Welcome to Belly's Playground. That was dirty one.
All right.
Car loses.
Who's next?
The next truck will be
The ones that have gone, we'll put in the bin. Okay, who's next?
this one is this is race ace and then color changer.
Okay. Ready?
No, I'm going to do it.
Okay. All right. Race Ace 1.
Race ace one.
Up. Who's next?
The next one is hamburger.
What's this guy's name? Buns of Steel.
Bund of steel.
It's already cocked. Just hit the button.
Well, here you go. First race hamburgers. You see, yeah, it's wet because they're still
Yeah, this guy's still a little wet.
Yeah, the tires are still a little wet.
Who's up next?
Who's the one that's up
You
next?
can go in order too, Elliot.
Is
If it makes it easier.
zombie ice.
Zombie Ice.
I mean, zombie water. Get some water. You got.
All right, go hit the button.
I can also hawk and put it in.
That one did awesome. That was a good jump.
Good choice. This one's staying out.
Oh, you want to keep it out because it did the best?
Yeah, the ones that do the best stay, and then they get another try.
Let's do Max D Fire next.
No, I'm gonna do Earth Shaker Lava.
Earth Shaker Lava.
These the same of these. They both have lava.
Yes,
They're
sir.
both yellow.
They both have fire wheels and lava wheels.
Yeah. I can also cock too.
Okay. Oh, nowsies, he didn't do it.
He's getting the boo.
He's getting the boot.
Maxie Fire, you can do it. You can do it.
All right, how about I go over here and I hand you the next one? And then you can cock it and launch them.
No, I can do it. I'm a big boy.
Oh, nowsies, he didn't do it either.
Well, at least he went over, so he's not getting boo.
He gets the boot.
Well, he still handed it.
Okay. And still, I didn't go as far as the other one.
Well, my new monster mud.
Dalmatian monster mud, huh?
Yeah.
You have two of them? I didn't know that. Oh, that's right. Uncle Corey got you a new one for Christmas, right?
Yeah.
And it also came with the new Mohawk Warrior.
Yeah. So these are the ones that go next.
Okay, go ahead and shoot one. Launch him. Come on, Mohawk Warrior. Oh, nutty!
Oh, he did a spin.
All right.
Let's see what monster mud you
Monster
can
mud.
do.
Number 1 of 2.
Monster mud number 1. But this was my first one.
Okay, so that's number 1 of 2. That's 2 of 2.
Yeah, and this one's 3 of 3.
That's a different monster mud, isn't it? Isn't that the Dalmatian or
It's monster mud poodle.
Poodle?
With different wheels.
Oh, monster mud 1 or 2 didn't do so hot. Oh, he looks brand new.
One zombie gets to have another round because he did the best.
Okay. He's still the best. So far, we should say. Wait till we get to the ones with the big wheels. Oh,
Can
no.
you watch what poodle will do the best?
No, usually the ones that I think Hot Wheels
Feel
has
my
do well.
hair. Feel my ears and my hair.
It's so fluffy.
Yeah, and she goes to cool.
Gotta cock it before you launch it. And they are out of here. Gunkster is up next.
Yeah, until we get to
Gravedigger? You have like 400 Gravediggers.
well, this gunk gravedigger.
Gunkster Gravedigger because he's
Yeah.
green.
Pass me all the gravediggers.
Alright, have Gunkster go first, then we'll get all the Gravediggers.
Okay. because the grave diggers start with the letter G.
They do. So does Gungster.
Yeah. You got gunked.
Oh no! Let's see how he does.
Because I'm the best.
Oh, did he beat the... Oh, he didn't beat Zombie
Well,
Ice.
he still gets to have another try.
Well, we could leave him out there too. He might be one of the better ones so far. All
Yeah.
right, so you wanted all the grave diggers. One grave digger. Grave digger gunk. Another grave digger. I think that's the color changer one. Maybe.
No, I don't have any color change grave diggers.
This one's got a different logo on the side of it.
Yeah.
Okay, I know you have more. Do I not see them?
No.
I feel like there's more. Is that all of them? I guess so.
No, I have more grave diggers. How?
That's
pass
4.
me
How many?
all, how about getting pass me all ones that look like truck? How?
Well, let's do all those grave diggers first, and then we'll do the
Okay.
ones that look like trucks after
Here,
that.
first step is 49th anniversary grave digger.
The anniversary one. Nice.
Yeah, this is the one that gives that.
I know.
Let's see what you do.
Well, he made it through the loop-de-loop, hit the
Now it's time
crush
to-
car, but didn't make it far enough.
Gunk grave digger, and then the last ones is regular grave digger, and then scary grave digger.
Oh, yeah. Got it, got it.
Scary grave digger scares a lot of people.
Oh, on his back.
He won't get You think regular grave digger can do?
I think he'll do good.
We never know.
Oh, he got caught up on something and crashed into the crush car.
Now it's time for scary grave digger.
Ooh, he did good. Landed and kept going. All right, you want all the ones that look like a truck now, right?
Yeah.
Well, how about here's the original Bigfoot. That looks like a truck. That one looks like a truck.
Well, what about El Toroco?
I guess he is a truck. He has horns, though. But I'll roll him over. You have a bunch of those. There's this one. I think that used to be like a cop car that we spray painted red.
Yeah.
Zombie looks like a truck. So does this one.
Well,
And Sriracha.
you can
Another
also pass me
Sriracha.
the broken ones.
Snakebite kind of looks like a truck. Whip. What is this one? Radical Rescue. Oh, another Bigfoot. I forgot you have 2 Bigfoots.
Yeah. Because remember the Lego Bigfoot?
Whiplash is a truck.
I have the Lego Bigfoot. That means I have 3 Bigfoots.
I think that's all the ones that look like trucks.
You also gave me broken ones.
Okay. We'll do those after the trucks.
Okay. These are all my favorite. My favorite of most.
Stay on track, bucko. Trying to do all the cars through the loop. Okay, next one.
Go when the dark race come in.
Oh, you did a wheelie out of it. Nice. Okay, who's next? El Toro Loco?
Yeah, to look lava fire.
All right, with blue wheels, huh?
Yeah, these are Whiplash's wheels.
Oh, you stole those from Whiplash. He makes it through, but not far enough.
Because there was a red light at it.
There was?
Yeah,
Oh no, he tried to stop.
yeah. Here's Ace Flower.
Oh, he crashes.
Next Bigfoot.
That one looks like the one from when we went to Monster Trucks Live.
Yeah. Hot Wheels.
Yeah. Oh dang, that one did
He
good.
did a side wheelie.
He did.
That was real impressive.
I think they call that a bicycle, right? When they drive
Yeah,
on the 2
yeah.
side wheels.
They do.
Oh, he did good. All these trucks are doing pretty good. You gonna make his arms stand up?
Yeah. Like he's scaring you.
Oh no.
Do you know I have 2 zombies?
The other one's out there?
Yeah. Zombie out.
Oh, noses!
Well, did you see that he rolled over and landed?
He did.
High education. Let's see if I have any other truck. What does that look like a truck?
Well, they're all over there still.
Well, what about Earthshaker?
Yeah, I guess he kind of looks like a truck.
Yeah.
we'll do the ones that are broken after all the trucks, and then we'll start doing maybe like ones that look like Suburbans.
Like the ones that look like different?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or big trucks, like food trucks, fire trucks, tanks, things like that we can do next.
Well,
After the broken
what
ones.
about the three-wheelers?
There's only one three-wheeler. Should we save that for last?
No, we do everything else in after this.
Okay. Oh, nosies!
So watch did
Let's see how Whiplash does.
wheelie. The side wheelie.
Want me to start cocking and shooting? Is your hand getting tired?
No, my hand has a lot of energy.
Okay.
It has 30,000 energy,
30,000.
which is a big number.
Very strong.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. All right, 13 left.
Okay, not 10.
Oh, barely makes it off the ramp.
Yeah, I see what one Dodger will do. One Dodger, 2 different wheels.
Crash.
Let's see what this one can do.
Oh, that one's cool. That one's one of the new ones for 2023, huh?
Yeah, and this is another wagon. Even though that they're both the same, but if we added these wheels to Mother or to Bigfoot,
I think it looks better on the Volkswagen.
why?
It's kind of correct as far as the size of the tires they used to put on those type of cars. At least the people that would modify them. Okay, how many we got left?
Let's count how much we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more left.
All right, let's go. Let's
Okay.
do this.
Gonna make it the same number. One that looks like on number block 8. This is what number block 8 looks like.
Come on, Volkswagen. Oh, no, no bueno.
Now we have 7. Let's see what this program can do. Now we have 6. Twos. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 more. Did you see that?
I did.
Do you like his wheels?
They're cool. They're grave diggers, aren't they?
No, they're not warriors.
All right, keep going.
Graver has the same. Now we have 4.
That one's back almost blew off. That was a garbage truck.
Now we have
Or-
3 more. Did you see that he went onto here?
Yeah, you did pretty good. That was the first one that actually made it through the ramp in a while.
Well, is that one the leader now?
So far.
So Gunkster's the we got to move
Yep.
because he went to farthest.
All right, let's see how far the motor
Now
goes.
we have 2 more.
So close to getting all the monster trucks through the loop-de-loop. Oh, nozzies.
Now we have 1 more. Here comes
2 left.
Bone
1
shaker.
left after this. And the very last one will be the Hulk.
Yeah, let's see what this one can do. If he beats him, he's gonna win. But if that beats him, he's gonna win.
Dun dun dun!
Please subscribe to watch my videos.